Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Google Meet. Where can you find the Google Meet link in the Google Classroom for a particular class? And how can you share it to the students? And the most importantly, in this video, I am going to share you how to take the attendance of the participants during the Google meeting. First, we will go into the Google Classroom. So in your browser, type Google Classroom. Then click Google Classroom, that is classroom.google.com. So this is the home page. So here already I have created 3 different classes. So if you need to create a class, you can click on this plus symbol, create class, so that by pressing create class, you can create your own class and there will be a unique code for each class. By sharing that code to the students can join in your class. So this is how you can create a new class under your Google Classroom. So you need to log into the Google Classroom via your Gmail account. Since I have already logged into my Gmail account, it has directly taken to the home page. If not, you have to sign in to your Gmail account. Then you have to log into your Google Classroom. So let me consider one such class, ECE first year, with 55 students in it. Selecting that class. So this is the class code. So here you can generate your Google Meet link. Okay. So directly you can click here to generate your Google link for your particular class, or you can go to the settings. If you scroll down, there you can have generate meet link. So by clicking this generate meet link, you will get a unique Google Meeting link for this particular class. In this way, you can generate your Google Meeting link for a particular class and it remains same for your class throughout the duration. If you click this, you will get copy or you can reset your link. I'm going to copy this Google Meeting link. Once I have copied, so let me save. So now I have moved back to the class. So here you can share, you can just paste it. So this is the Google Class meeting link. You can share to your student. Also you can schedule it for your particular session. Either you can post it in the Google Classroom or you can send the link via email or through the WhatsApp message. So in this way, we can create a Google Meeting link for a particular class and we can share to the students. Next, how to join a meeting and how can we take the attendance of the participants. So this is the Google Meeting link we have created. So just click on that. Once after clicking that meeting link, so this is the home page for the Google Meet. You can either present or you can join your meeting. So let me join the meeting. So once after joining the meeting, you can copy joining info and you can share it with your student. So before that, open a new tab. In that you type Meet Attendance Extension. So here if you check, you will be having Meet Attendance Google Chrome. So you just click it. So there will be a new page to add your Meet Attendance as extension to your Chrome. So now add this Meet Attendance to your Chrome by clicking this Add to Chrome. So the symbol here is an apple with a tick mark. So you just add to the Chrome. So add extension. So your file will be downloaded and it will get added to your Chrome. So if you check at the right corner of your Chrome, so there it has been enabled. Meet Attendance has been added to the Chrome. You can synchronize with your Gmail account. So once after your Meet Attendance has been added to your Chrome extension, now go back to your meeting. So after adding the Meet Attendance extension, so if you click on the symbol, Meet Attendance symbol, so here you will be having Meet Attendance options where you can find right click, add a new sheet, create a new spreadsheet. Then you can switch on or off the number of participants. Then you have feedback and the reset option. So here if you check, there is one more option with the tick mark and here the number of participant is only 1, and you will be having add spreadsheet, or you can add a new sheet to the already opened spreadsheet, and this button indicates the refreshment of the number of participants. So each time before taking the attendance, it is mandatory to click on this, and you need to refresh the number of participants present in the meeting. Without refreshing this button, so the number of participants in the meeting cannot be updated in your meet attendance. Okay, now get the attendance, you need to press this symbol. So by clicking this symbol, so a Google spreadsheet will be opened. So a new Google spreadsheet will be opened representing the attendance. So here the date as well as the time at which the attendance is taken will be represented. So now I am going to add 2 more participants to the meeting. So now I have added 2 more participants to the Google meeting. So if you check here, it is not refreshed yet. So it is necessary to refresh the number of participants each time before taking the attendance. So for refreshing the number of participants in the meeting, you need to press this once. Now it has been updated to 3, which indicates 3 number of participants are there in the meeting. So to get the attendance of this, you need to click this. Once after clicking this, Google spreadsheet will be opened representing the participants, and here the date as well as the time at which the attendance is taken is also mentioned, and the number of participants. So in this way you can take the attendance at any instant throughout your meeting session. So you can save this spreadsheet. At the same time, it will be available in your Google Drive or Google spreadsheet. No need of doing it separately. Automatically when you are clicking your spreadsheet attendance, it will be saved in your Google Sheet. You can refer it later. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.